Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Pixel 9 Pro XL, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro MagSafe case in black for the Pixel 9 Pro. I'm so glad that they made a heavy duty case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL with MagSafe on there. So if you like MagSafe, this may be the case you want to pick up. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this out to me for a review. If you want to pick it up, I will have links in the description so that way you can definitely pick it up and try out the case yourself. Like we normally do in my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? How strong is the magnet? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How are the buttons? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. This is a presentation you get from Supcase. You gotta love it. Unicorn Beetle Pro. If y'all want to pause that, it does say drop protection. And then also if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But you get a lot in this box here. So you get a belt clip too, which, you know, a lot of people like. Extended warranty in here. Comes with a nice little packet. What? Now it does come with the screen protector on there. And the charger gives you instructions. Again, I wish they would make one without it, but it is what it is. So you have the belt clip there too. But this part is like a kickstand plus MagSafe in there. So let's get this bad boy open. So like normal in these cases, you just want to kind of pull the rubber around it off. Does take some work though. Does take some work to get this little piece out of there. Just don't break it, take your time. Again, if you want to remove the built-in screen protector, you can definitely do so. Now it may take a lot of work to get this fingerprint scanner to work, especially with a screen print on there. It may not work. We'll check that out too. But here's the inside. So the first thing you want to do is put your phone in here first. Don't take a picture, but not upside down though. Put it like this. Right? You put it like that. I put the phone upside down because I was like, what? And then you kind of just work it around. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You do get some camera protection back there. Has this little lip there too. Even without the built-in screen protector, you would get a lot of lip protection. But since I have the built-in screen protector still on there, you still get some. Supcase logo, you have a little grip on the sides. Power button feels great. Hey, the fingerprint scanner actually worked even with my glass screen protector on there. Volume rockers are awesome, easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top there. So again, for drop protection, I don't know. Name a better case that you will get better drop protection. So you have a lot. You have the grip on the sides there. Bam. That's how it looks. I do like the feel of it. Does it add bulk? Yes, this case will add bulk to your phone. It makes it heavier. It makes it bigger to hold on to. So you do add bulk when you get this phone here, this case. But the things you don't have to worry about is scratching up your beautiful screen. You get a lot of drop protection there. You even get a kickstand. So let's check out the kickstand. So you press this little button here and it pops it up. So you can watch it like that. Let's see, can you watch it like that? Nope. So basically you have one way. You can watch your channels or videos like that. It is bright. So if you want to watch some videos like this, bam, you can definitely do so. How strong is that magnet? Let's find that out. Okay. You can see that it was wireless charging. And oh, you can see wireless charging, and that magnet is strong on there. Yes, indeed. Yeah, you can tell that magnet is strong on there. The only problem with these type of cases is that it will pull. See, and now how they did it too, they got smart. They got a little button you have to press. So what I was going to say is that it'll pull up the kickstand, but it actually doesn't, because the kickstand won't come up until you press the button. So some other cases I reviewed for different phones, the kickstand, you can just pull it up with no problem. They have a little button you have to press, which is pretty cool. That makes it a lot stronger, even for like things like this. I mean, you have to really push. Yeah, that magnet is strong on this case. For just the purpose of the video, let's check out the belt clip there. So if you want the belt clip, you have it on there. You can definitely use it. I know people like the belt clip. I don't use the belt clip, but if you work in construction, there you go. You have a functional belt clip that comes with the case. Man, let's wrap this up. This thing checks off a lot of boxes. One big complaint, it does add bulk, but you are using this case if you're going hiking, if you work in construction, somewhere you can drop your phone a lot, you want to pick up this case. But the buttons feel really great. You get a lot of lip protection even without the built-in screen protector. You also get camera protection back there, drop protection. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom there. The magnet is really strong. You have an extra benefit of having a kickstand, which does not come out when you are testing out or using MagSafe, which plays an important role there. So yes, it checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.